We're gonna let FIB be support. I'm truck number 1. Out of my truck. I'm truck number 1, Junaid. Did you just not hear me over radio?
Bro, you said that you will be taking a support car, and now you're saying that you will be in truck number 1.
No, we're taking 8 trucks. I just said this over radio. Did you not pay attention?
Car? And support car?
No support car. FIB support.
Alright, check for orders, guys.
One
Check for...
of us got
I have
coded,
someone crazy after me.
If one of us got coded, then we're shit out of luck.
We need a 1 NG.
How much trucks?
Car.
8 trucks.
4 accepted.
All.
Hey.
Oh, hell.
We don't. We're not gonna get codes.
No, we don't. You're strong. You don't get codes. We're strong. Hush. We're strong. If you think you're gonna get code, you're gonna get one.
Alright, so how many trucks we taking anyway?
What's up, fucker?
We're doing 8 trucks.
All.
Not much, you?
Roger
all
that.
of them.
I'll be
Yo,
I'll
you
be
wanna ride in
Lambo.
a truck with me?
No, I'm Lambo.
Yep.
Okay, I'll be sub Lambo then.
I need one of you guys in the truck with me.
Man,
so
why
that we
don't they
can
actually give us a Lambo?
Kill me radio silent. Y'all are annoying.
Fake ass Lambo.
I'll be.
Shut up, clown.
Dude, I wish we did have a Lamborghini with it. The only org that doesn't have one.
Follow me.